Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I've had many requests because you've all wanted to see this year's baking themed Christmas tree. I posted my Christmas tree the last 2 years in a row, but every year I accumulate some new baking ornaments for my tree and I just love it. This year I put something different on the top. I put a big lollipop. Usually I have my Betty Boop up there. So I'm going to scan it now and then I'm going to get close up and personal and show you some of the cool ornaments I have, and I'll show you some of the new ones that I got this year. So let me see if I can zoom in for you. Alrighty, here we go. So up on the top is this year's lollipop, and then you'll see here my cookie sheet with little peppermint candies and gingerbread stars. This one I got last year that I absolutely love, my cannoli. I'm not going to be able to get them all, I just have so many on the tree. Oh, look, there's a cup of coffee over there, and as I go down there's a pretzel stick. You see it? With blue icing and pink on it. And then under that, there's cupcakes. If I can move this out of the way, there you go. There's a little Santa I have holding a cupcake. And here, look, is my KitchenAid mixer. And a couple of my new ornaments this year. Don't laugh. When I saw these, I went crazy. Look. Sticks of butter. Yeah, you can't bake without butter. And when I saw these, I was like, oh my God, there's sticks of butter. And there's my little cup. It says coffee and a friend. The perfect blend. And over here is a cup of coffee. And I have macarons towards the back. And down here is a little gingerbread boy. Trying to get on the side here so you can see more. Let's see. Oh, this one I love. Here's another cannoli. And here is my cookie sheet with the gingerbread boys. And there's Betty Boop Boopy Doop. I love Betty Boop, and she's holding a cupcake. And down here is Santa with his apron on. And it looks like he has a cup of hot cocoa. And down there is another cupcake. Let me move on over here. I'm trying to do the best I can for you. Oh, there's a little chef dog. Isn't he cute? And there is a pie down there. And look at this. Oh, isn't this cute? Look at this confection over here. And let me see what else. Oh, there's a big gumdrop. And there's my rolling pin. And down here is a little house. A gingerbread house, and tucked away in here is another cup of coffee that says the perfect blend with a donut, and here is another little gingerbread girl, and up here, look at this slice of cake. Isn't that awesome? And oh, this one I got this year. It says, you always get what you want at Grandma's, and it's an open refrigerator. Isn't that cute? I love it. And, oh, let me see what else. Oh, here's another one of those cookie sheets. I love these cookie sheets. They're so cool. And here's another cupcake and another gingerbread girl down there. And let me move over here. This is a glass ornament with all cookbooks and a rolling pin and a pie. Down here is another chocolate covered pretzel. And look at this. This is my little whisk. So cute. My bird is screaming in the background. Sorry, because she hears me. Here's another pie. And look at this. A little chef mouse. Isn't he cute? And oh, this I love. This is a box of little, let me move the bow, of little gingerbread boys. And here, hope you can see this, is some more. And there's another stick of butter. And there's another stick of butter up there. And I don't know if you can see it, but way up there I have a gumball machine. It was cute, so I wanted to put it on. And here is a little piece of pie. There we go. And this is adorable. This is a cupcake, and it's in a little plastic pedestal. And look at this. This is the cookie sheet with all the sprinkled donuts on it. And there, over there, is an ice cream truck. I have a lot of ornaments on this tree. Over here, let me take it and see if I can move it around, is a little s'mores marshmallow snowman. There's more gingerbread boys. There's another whisk down there and gumdrops. This is cute over here. Look at that little cupcake. Has cherries on top. And here down the bottom is another gingerbread boy in a cookie cutter. And look at this cake pop. Where do you see that? That shiny cake pop. And here's another cake pop. And here is a chocolate covered strawberry. And oh, look at this. This is metal. I love this. This is a Christmas recipe cookbook. And it has a little rolling pin on the front. This is my favorite ornament. I put it on the tree every year. My girlfriend gave it to me many years ago. It says, friendship, the gift you never want to exchange. And that's for sure. We'll go on down here a little bit more. And here is a star gingerbread cookie. And here's, oh, this was a gift last year. So I put it on the tree. It's Santa with the mask on. And oh, look at this one. Look at this. This little delicacy. Isn't that adorable? And oh, wait till I go up here. Look at this little gingerbread boy. Look at, oh, holding a cupcake. Has little lights on him. And here's a chocolate covered pretzel. See that? I'll be missing half of them, trust me. Here's another cannoli. It's hard to film this by myself. I'm walking around the tree. And look, cotton candy. And up there is another cookie sheet. And there is another cake pop. Let me head on down here. Over here is a chocolate covered donut. Look at that. And over here, I have ribbon candy. And there's another cupcake. And here's another gingerbread boy. Let me head on down. Here's Betty Boop down here. I have a few Betty Boop ornaments. I had to put them on. And here's a gumdrop. The gumdrops I got new this year. And I got the sticks of butter new this year. This over here is a Hershey Kiss that my daughter brought me back when they went to Hershey. And oh, look at this with all the shiny beads on it. This is a cake pop. And here's another cupcake over here. Let me get down here and see what I can get for you here. Oh, here's a little sign that says Baked with Love. And here's a few more cupcakes down here. And down here is another little Whoopsie, another little gingerbread house. And another cupcake. I have a lot of different kinds of cupcakes. And here's another cake pop. And let me head on down. There's another cake pop down there. And let me see. Oh, here's a macaron. Or macaroon, whatever you want to call it. Just going to scan around. There are so many ornaments on this tree that this year I'm running out of space. Here's a cookie, a nice Christmas cookie. And let me, oh, there's one in there. I don't even think I can get to it. Let me see. It says on it, oh, let me see. Oh, I don't think you can see it. There you go. It says Cupcake Queen. And more macaroons over there. And this one I couldn't get close up before, but look at this. This is a cup of coffee. Isn't that adorable? Let me see what else I have. There are so many on this tree, and a lot of them are hiding. I love this little chef dog. He's so cute. I have a couple of him on the tree. Let me see. Oh, what's that in there? More gumdrops. Some of these cupcakes are just adorable. Did I show you this one? I don't think so. This one says, it's a piece of cake, and it says, good when shared with friends. And oh, look at this one. Let me get him out of there. This is Santa holding a donut, a decorated donut. More cannolis. When I found those cannolis a few years ago, I went nuts. Well, this one, yeah, this is the ice cream truck. I think I showed you that one. Oh, what's back here? Oh, this is cute. Let me see if I can get this. This is adorable. This is Santa. Oh, let me see if I can get him. Santa in the refrigerator. And it says on the front door, cold milk and cool cookies for Santa. That's a fairly new one. I don't think you saw that one. Let me see what else. Here's another little doggy. Oh, here's a chef hat. Isn't that cute? Little chef hat with the whisk and the wooden spoon and all. There's a couple of more Betty Boops up there. This is a New Year's Betty Boop. She's sitting in her little champagne glass. And of course I put this one on. It's Betty Boop with her makeup table for the Diva. Let me see. There she is. Here's the gumball machine up there. There it is. Wasn't sure if I can get it. And let me see. Another chocolate covered strawberry over here. Aren't they cool? And I think I got the ribbon candy this year. I'm not sure. Every year I try to pick up a few more of them. Move her out of there. There's a lot more on here. They're tucked in. There's another cupcake under there. Not going to be able to show them all to you, but this is my baking themed Christmas tree. Let me step back a little bit and give you a better view of everything, not so close up. Last year was the first year we invested in a tree, and I love this tree. We hit the jackpot with this. It's just so cool. Oh, look back here. You see there's so many things tucked in. Oh, I think I showed you this one. Yes, this one says Cupcake Queen. And the mixer I just love. Looks like my little KitchenAid mixer. So this is my baking themed Christmas tree. Every year, like I said, I try to put more things on it, but it's getting pretty crowded. I didn't even bother putting garland on it this year because it's so full between the ornaments and the flocking. My grandsons were so funny. They're like, Grandma, why do you have a stick of butter on your tree? If you could have seen me, I found that a while back. They don't have it anymore in Hobby Lobby. And I was like a kid in a candy store. I'm like, oh my God, a stick of butter. You have to be kidding me. I have to get that for my baking themed tree. So let me just try to get a little more. Another day I will film some of the ornaments in my house. I really did simplify a little bit this year. Because you know, oh, here's Santa with the refrigerator. Because you know, what goes up must come down. And sometimes it's tiring to put all those ornaments away. Oh, look at this cupcake. This was one of my favorites. Has all pearls on the top of it. Isn't that awesome? So I think I'm not going to go into the back of the tree. And the pretzel is cute too. I think I got that a couple of years ago, the pretzel. So I hope this gave you a little idea of my baking themed Christmas tree. I don't know, maybe next year I'll find a couple of more because I'm addicted to this. Oh, there's the rolling pin. I think I showed you that. Isn't that cool? The rolling pin. Yeah, so I don't know. If I'm out and about and I spot an ornament that I don't have, well, like I said, I'm jumping up and down like a little kid and I'm like, oh my God, I have to get this for my baking themed Christmas tree. So I hope you enjoyed that. The sun is shining in the window, but let me just show you who's sitting next to the baking themed Christmas tree. Wow, it's Baking Santa. Look at him. He has his gingerbread boy and his pastry bag, and his apron says cookies, and there's a whisk and a rolling pin. Let me turn him around a little bit so he's not in, oh, he's in more in the sun. But anyway, that's Santa, and he's pretty tall, and he stands right next to the Christmas tree. So I hope you enjoyed my 2021 baking themed Christmas tree. I have 2 others on there from last year and the year before, if you're interested in seeing them. And it's just something fun that I love to do. Hi, Santa. What are you baking today? So anyway, I will see you all very soon. I hope everyone is going to have a very happy holiday. If you celebrated, a very Merry Christmas. Toodles!